Hi, this is Monica of Knitted Wishes. Today I would like to show you how to work a yarn over. Here are a couple of yarn overs right here and here, and they create a hole in the knitted fabric. Bring the yarn forward, place it over the right hand needle, hold it with your forefinger or your thumb to prevent it from falling off the needle, and knit the following stitch. Yarn forward over the right hand needle, hold it with your finger and knit the following stitch. The yarn overs can be followed by different stitches. I'll show you how to work a yarn over followed by a purl stitch. Bring the yarn forward, place it over the right hand needle, hold it in place, bring the yarn forward, work the purl stitch, and slip it off the needle. And here is the yarn over followed by a purl stitch. One more time, bring the yarn over the needle, right hand needle, hold it in place, bring the yarn forward, work a purl stitch, and here is the yarn over followed by a purl stitch. And now I'm going to show you how to work the yarn over on the wrong side of the fabric, and this is a flat piece of knitted fabric. Going to purl the next stitch, and here is my yarn over, and I'm just going to purl the yarn over like this. One more time. And now I'm going to show you how to work it when you're working in the round. Now when you're working in the round and the instructions for the next round tell you to knit the yarn over, you would just knit it like any other stitch. And here's the hole created by a yarn over. The yarn overs are especially popular when knitting lace. Now if you're required to purl it, bring the yarn forward and just purl it as any other stitch. And occasionally you may be required to knit the yarn over through the back loop. So you just insert the needle into the back and knit it. And this will create a much smaller hole. Thank you for watching.